Hello, I'm Mr. Noisy, and I am going to sing a song called Dreams by the Cranberries. And Mr. Noisy in Rolf the Dog's World said that her Up and Down and Wildlife books have been decapitated, so someone needs to fix them. I'm going to sing this song. And I think I might wheeze in the end of this song. And perhaps it's one of my favorite songs to hear on the radio. Okay, here we go. Oh, my life is changing every day in every possible way. And oh, my dreams. It's never quite as it seems. Never quite as it seems. I know I've felt like this before, but now I'm feeling it even more. Because it came from you. Then I open up and see the person falling here is me. A different way to be. She sounds like UK Miss Helpful. Oh, my. Goodness. God. I want more. Impossible to ignore. Impossible to ignore. And they'll come true. Impossible not to do. Impossible not to do. And now I tell you openly, you have my heart, so don't hurt me. You're what I couldn't find. A totally amazing mind, so understanding and so kind. You're everything to me. Oh, my life is changing every day in every possible way. And oh, my dreams. It's never quite as it seems. 'Cause you're a dream to me. Dream to me. Oh, ha 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 ha, wow. I can't yodel. It seems like on Wikipedia, it seems like it's just the old classics, and it looks like it seems like. Hold on. It looks like Dreams is the has different tracks in both edits. It seems like I've lost my voice. I'm doing some funny stuff. Wait a minute. Dolores O'Riordan died from a... Please. Dolores O'Riordan died from drowning due to alcohol intoxication in January 2018. In the Grammy-nominated album In the End, it's The final album featuring her singing voice. It's featuring her final vocal voice is so quickly disbanded. Someone needs to take her spot. Please. I miss you, Dolores.